Are you looking for a natural beauty treatment that is both cheap and works? If so, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I will show you how castor oil and coconut oil will give you strong, healthy, long, beautiful, gorgeous hair you've always wanted. Let's get right into it. Hi there, my name is Debbie and welcome to Thine Own Style Be True. And on my channel, you will receive easy and helpful style and beauty techniques to help you feel confident so you can rock your true you. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I upload 2 new videos a week, and make sure to find me on Instagram at Debbie S. Savage. If you are like me and one of your goals is growing long, beautiful hair, then castor oil is the way to go. So many wonderful reasons why castor oil is so beneficial for your hair, but the 2 that I'd like to point out to you is that it is both antibacterial and antifungal. It is an age-old beauty technique that has helped so many women and men restore their hair and grow long, beautiful, healthy hair. So let me show you how I use it. So this is my hair right now. I haven't washed it in probably 5 days, so it's time to do this treatment. It feels a little bit dry and it's just thirsty, so it's ready for some castor oil and coconut oil. Before I get started, I like to have my hair damp. So right now it's dry, and what I'm going to use is my spray bottle filled with water, and so that's what I'm going to start doing to getting my hair moist. This is my hair. I've got it sufficiently damp. I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite wide tooth brush and gently, keyword gently, brush through my hair to get out those little annoying knots to make sure the application of the castor oil and the coconut oil goes smooth and easy. Okay, I am done smoothing out my hair. I got the tangles out of my hair, so we can now move on. To make the application of the castor oil more organized for me, I am going to split my hair into 2 sections. You can see right here I have an upper portion and a lower one. I'm going to take the upper one, I'm going to twist it on the top of my head just like this to keep it secure and out of my face so I can concentrate on massaging the lower area. Alright, so here is the castor oil. I'm going to pour about a tablespoon in my palm. There we go, and my hands will become my hair tools. So go ahead and massage it around your hands and through your fingers. Here's the castor oil. You're going to go ahead and rub the castor oil deep into your scalp. So if you can see that, I'm bringing my fingertips and gently pressing and massaging my scalp to make sure that every area is reached and saturated with the castor oil. And this also encourages circulation to the hair follicles. There it is. Go ahead and kind of use your fingertips, really use them actually, and bring it right into your scalp. Oh, it just feels so good. I love going to the massage studio and getting my hair rubbed. So I'm having my own treatment here at home. Now for the second phase of this beauty treatment is coconut oil. Leave a comment below if you love coconut oil. Our family does. We use it to cook every day, but today we're going to use it in our hair. There are so many reasons why coconut oil is coined the term the miracle oil. It's so good for your hair. It helps to detangle it. It helps with dandruff. It helps to strengthen your hair, promote hair growth, and condition your hair like no other. Here is my coconut oil choice. I got this at my local Trader Joe's, so find one that works for you. The reason why I like this one, because it's an organic coconut oil, virgin, cold pressed, and unrefined. It's perfect. Okay, so before starting, I like to separate my hair. You may not, but I do. It just kind of helps me organize my mane. So again, I'm just gonna split my hair into an upper portion and bottom portion. Take the length, twist it, roll it around, create that cinnamon bun on top. So here is what coconut oil looks like. This is in its solid form. I can easily dip my finger in it and grab a teaspoon, tablespoon or so. And what you want to do, you just need the natural warmth of your hands, and you can see how it gets melty so fast from the heat of your hand. You're going to take this and put it right in your hair. Coconut oil right here. I'm going to grab it in about 1 inch sections, starting from the root all the way to the ends. I'm going to spread the coconut oil and evenly coat it down the length of my hair, and it smells fabulous. Okay, let's head to the final portion, and I'm going to grab, there we go, about a tablespoon or so of coconut oil, massage it in your hand, and I'm going to take it and apply it to the upper part of my hair all the way down to the ends. Next part, ladies, you don't want to skip this. You want to wrap your hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to share with you, you can incorporate this in your lifestyle in 2 ways. You can do it right before you go to bed and sleep with it all night and really get the extra benefit of the castor oil and coconut oil working magic on your hair all throughout the night, and rinse it in the morning. Or if you're short on time like I am today, I'm going to keep it in my hair for a minimum of 1 hour. 3 would be awesome. I'm going to answer emails and stuff in the meantime, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now that I have all that miracle oil in my hair, it's so much more manageable and easy to pull into a ponytail. So grab your hair, pull it into a ponytail, and twist the length so it can kind of rope around itself. Just a simple bun will do. Go ahead and use an elastic or a scrunchie to secure it in place. Okay, my hair is now in that bun, and go ahead and pull out your plastic hair cap. Reminds me of the lunch ladies at elementary school. You can use this, or you can use just your standard plastic grocery bag. And go ahead and just put it right over your head. Okay. And then the second step is I have like this terry cloth turban, and I'm gonna put it right over my head right here, and this will just add to the warmth of my head. And I just twist again at the base and bring it all the way up. Somehow, okay, there's the little loop, and I just. All right, ladies, here we are in my shower. It has been an hour or so, and it's time to remove the castor oil and coconut oil from my hair. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to start with my favorite shampoo, and I'm going to do like a pre-wash and just use the shampoo on my hair and just really scrub it in to kind of get the oils moving. Rinse it. I'm going to go ahead and start with a second application of a sulfate-free shampoo, and that will really get the oils out of my hair. And then second, I'm going to go ahead and add my rice water treatment. This is an additional step to encourage and promote hair growth, and see the link to get the formula and how to do that. And last, we will finish off with a conditioner. I'm going to spread that in my hair and just rinse it out a tad, so I have a little bit left to further condition my hair. Here's the shampoo I like to use. It's from Shea Moisture. It's a Jamaican black castor oil that's just fabulous. It is Perfect for strengthening and restoring your hair. It has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to let my hair out, get it out of that bun. It's feeling so soft. I'm going to take about a tablespoon or 2 of the shampoo. And I'm just going to incorporate it in my hair to help break down the oil. This is my pre-wash. I like to add this step to encourage the cleansing action to occur. Is my rice water treatment. You guys, you've got to try this. So make sure to check out my link to get the formula for this amazing hair potion to get your hair super strong and long. I like to take the ends of my hair, dip it in. I miss when we were teenage girls and on tomboy t-shirts. When life was good. Okay, I am all done. I feel so good, so clean, so refreshed. My hair feels so incredibly soft. So I'm going to use my favorite pink microfiber towel, wrap my hair to get the excess water, and I will meet you downstairs after I've gotten dressed and my hair styled, and I will show you the final results of using castor oil and coconut oil. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in the worn out sneakers. Okay, so I've styled my hair and put in my favorite styling products, and my hair feels so soft. Never underestimate the power of natural ingredients for your health and wellness. I love the miracle oils, coconut oil and castor oil, to promote hair growth and to moisturize and condition your hair. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!